Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke says although the island's foreign reserves are at an all-time high, the country needs to earn more. He was speaking at Sagicor Investments Money Talks Forum yesterday. Andrew Laidley has the details.
Jamaica's net international reserves, NIR, currently stands at $3.016 billion. That's enough to purchase a little under 1 year of imports. But despite foreign reserves hovering at record highs, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke argues that it is simply not enough.
The primary variable is how much are we earning, how much are we producing, and the solution to all our problems is for us to go from the levels of exchange, of foreign exchange earnings that we have today, and for us to double it and to, well, certainly from these levels, triple it, multiply it by 4, by 5, as time passes by.
But there's hope on the horizon, with Jamaica's main foreign exchange earner, tourism, already showing positive signs of recovery.
We, heard the good news that was posted by one of our leading hoteliers that they're seeing forward bookings for the winter season in 2021 that exceeds their 2019 pre-pandemic bookings by a significant degree, and that's good news for jobs.
The minister is also charging local creatives to delve more into exporting services and culture in the digital space. He says the government will invest in potential foreign exchange earning activities like those.
Having dancehall classes to audiences in Germany and the Netherlands and Spain right here from Jamaica. And what we did, along with a grant from the Ministry of Tourism, I've put more money into that community for that particular activity to get some support and for them to accelerate what they're doing.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Now, Sagicor has announced plans to pursue opportunities in Central America, primarily through its insurance arm. Group Chief Executive Officer Chris Zaka made the disclosure at yesterday's forum.
We're looking at a Central American expansion strategy in insurance. And in general insurance, through the acquisition of AGI, we're also looking at some expansion possibilities in the Caribbean.
We go down to currency trading. The day ended with the greenback selling for $146.19. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.05. The pound sterling is going for $202.42, while the euro closed at $174.09. The JSE index gained 2,535 points today, and the junior market index inched up 12 points. Among the winners were Knutsford Express, Consolidated Bakeries, Main Event, Jamaica Producers, and Blue Power Group. On the losing side, KLE Group, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Indies Pharma, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Siboney Group. And that's the Financial Week. International stories when we return.